Hey everyone, welcome. So, you think AI is moving fast now? Well, buckle up, because in customer service, things are about to go into overdrive. Today, we're going to dive into what the future looks like, the very near future, and probably more importantly, what you can do to get ready for it. Let's jump right in. And just a quick note before we get going, all the information in this explainer comes straight from Chapter 10 of the Prompt Engineering tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. So this is the big one, right? The question that's on pretty much everyone's mind. As AI gets smarter, what does that actually mean for customer service? It's a mix of exciting and, let's be honest, maybe a little intimidating. But one thing's for sure, big changes are on the way. So let's break down exactly what those changes are going to look like. All right, first up, the tech itself. I want you to think about these new AI capabilities not as threats, but as some seriously powerful new tools you're about to add to your professional toolkit. You know, right now, most AI is all about text, but the future? Oh, it's going to be multimodal. I mean, just imagine an AI that can look at a photo a customer sends of a broken part and immediately understand what's wrong. Or even better, an AI that can whip up a quick video tutorial showing them exactly how to fix it. That's where we're headed. And how fast is this all happening? Well, right now, AI is basically an assistant, helping us draft emails or find articles. But in just the next year or two, it's going to be your real-time partner, whispering suggestions in your ear during live calls and chats. And then you look out 3 to 5 years, and AI will probably be handling most of the simple routine stuff all on its own. That's going to free you up for the really interesting challenges. So we're talking about more than just analyzing photos. We're looking at AI that can offer you help in the moment, that can actually adapt to a customer's unique way of talking. And get this, proactive outreach. AI that can spot a potential problem and help you solve it before the customer even realizes something's wrong. The point is, AI is becoming a way more dynamic and helpful partner. Okay, so with all this amazing tech coming down the pike, the real question becomes, how do I stay relevant? How do I keep up? But you know what? This isn't just about keeping up. It's about learning how to lead the way. And here it is. This is the absolute core idea. The tools themselves, they're going to change constantly. But your ability to adapt, to play around with new things, and to learn quickly, that's the skill that will make you invaluable no matter what happens next. It's really about making adaptability part of your professional DNA. Now, the source material lays out a pretty clear 4-step plan. First, you've got to be a continuous learner. That means actually getting in there and playing with the new AI features. Second, get involved with your community. Share what you're learning in forums. Third, be strategic. Don't just adopt every shiny new toy. Figure out which tools solve real problems. And finally, help your whole team evolve. Pitch in on updating training materials and those super important prompt libraries. Which brings us to a huge new skill. Prompt engineering. And I really want you to think of this as a brand new kind of literacy. It's not just about typing commands into a box. It's about having a conversation, a collaboration with an AI to get results that, frankly, neither of you could ever achieve on your own. This is where the magic really happens. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Job security. The whole will a robot take my job fear is totally real. But the reality is so much more interesting. It's all about augmentation, not replacement. It's a fair question, right? If AI is going to take over all the easy, repetitive stuff, what's left for us to do? The answer? Well, it's all the most important, high-value work. Just take a look at this comparison. AI is an absolute champion when it comes to speed, efficiency, and doing the same thing perfectly a million times. But humans, we own empathy. We're the ones who can tackle those messy, complex problems that don't have a textbook answer. We have ethical judgment, and we're the ones who build real, genuine relationships. See, these aren't competing skills. They're the perfect partnership. So here's the takeaway. As AI takes on more of the routine, your uniquely human skills, your empathy, your creativity, they don't just stay relevant, they become more valuable, not less. The machines free you up to focus on the things that only a human can do. I absolutely love this quote from the source material because it just nails it. AI doesn't make someone an excellent customer service professional. It amplifies excellent customer service. Think about that. AI is a tool, a ridiculously powerful one for sure, but still just a tool.
It's an amplifier. It takes all the skill and empathy you already have and just makes it better, faster, and more effective.
So let's end on this thought. The future is pretty clear. The routine tasks are going to be automated. So the real question for you isn't if AI will change your job. It's how you're going to use this change to double down on what truly matters. So what are the uniquely human skills that you are going to master? That, right there, is the key to not just surviving, but absolutely thriving in the future of customer service.